everyone. Hello, we're here at Southwest at the airport in Oakland International Airport, and we're on our way to Cabo. Allie's a little camera shy, but she won't be. And we're here just getting checked in. Most of the girls have already checked in. We went ahead and did self-check-in, but some of the girls are having trouble. So we're waiting in the line. But yeah, we are on our way to Cabo. We'll see you guys there. We're so excited. We'll take you on our journey. Okay, so we're here getting Pete's coffee. Allie's getting coffee. Mom. And we're just gonna order. Let's see. You guys can see back here. Cute little kiosk. That's a big Evian thing. Okay, and then you can see their pastry. And I think I'm going to get a black coffee. Okay, hi everyone. We made it to Southwest and we're about to go to Cabo. And say hi everybody. Hello. Talk about awkward. Okay, now it's ready. Hi everyone. Hello. Hi. Hi. Hello. Hi guys. Okay, so now we're going to Cabo. We will see you guys. So we're just heading up. Oh, sorry, I'm gonna cut them. Hello, beautiful. Hello, beautiful. I'm like, hello. I was like, not talking to you. Just I know, right? Hi, Mom. What was that video? We have our whole crew here. Our crew. Hello. Yeah, can you flip up the... it's just technical difficulties. What I'm doing, yeah. Okay, see you guys later. Bye. Beautiful scenery. And you can see all the cactus. It looks like you're in Mexico. So I think you would think Mexico would look like. Welcome to Cabo. I'm just gonna do a quick room tour for you so you can see what's going on.